Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to password protect your Windows computer to keep your files and data secure. Let's get started. Click on the Windows Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen and select Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings window, click on Accounts from the left-hand menu. Scroll down and find Sign In options, then click on it. Under Password, click Add on the right side. Once you're here, enter a strong password that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Confirm your password by typing it again. Then go and add in a hint. This hint will help you remember the password in case you forget it. Click Next and then click Finish to save your settings. Now, the next time you turn on your computer or wake it from sleep mode, you'll need to enter your password before accessing your files. And that's it. Now you know how to password protect your Windows computer.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.